Hello YouTube, this is Lemmy D91 here doing a cold start of my 1992 Chevy Silverado. It's carbureted. I'd say it's probably about it's probably about 30 to 40 degrees, somewhere within that line, whatever you want to call it. Smells pretty good. Started right up, pretty good for a carbureted vehicle. RPM's up. Oh. Yeah, she's missing out one cylinder. Cylinder number 7. Got my shitty radio in here. See? There's my climate control. It's the digital type, not the old-fashioned slide type like what my dad's got in his 90. 4-wheel drive, it works. It's good. Good truck. Pretty good shape for being a 92. I got a bunch of shit in the back. Yeah, she's running good. Got a nice calendar too. But that's a cold start.